Fragrance and Beyond, Royal Musk EDP. This is non-sponsored video. The quantity is 8 ml. Price is 249 rupees. Available on the Smytten application for the one trial point. This perfume has the casual and breezy sparkling musky scent that evokes the spirit of summers. It contains the cedar, a tinge of lemon, and white rose, bamboo, amber, and the majority of musk. Perfectly suits to day wear. Features: it is an long-lasting fragrance, beautiful fragrance as like rose infused, glass bottle packaging. Spray works perfectly. Very small bottle you can carry anywhere while traveling. Fragrance, I love it. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.